Hey, how you doing? It's Garage Door Mike. Today we're going to show you Clopay Gallery 2-inch with the rec14 window and magnetic hardware. Looks absolutely beautiful. The Clopay version of this is more of a raised type panel, where some of the other competitors, CHI, Haas, the stamp design is more recessed. So this is more raised, which I like. Kind of cool, kind of different. These are magnetic, which is the only way to fly. So, oh, it's off a little bit. Yeah, just take it off, reset it. We like to put these about 3/4 of an inch away from the weather strip so it doesn't rip tear at all. Same with those. Just got done weather stripping. This is unusual for me. I usually do these videos before all this is even done, but you know what? Today we got it done. And here we go. This door does get 14 gauge hardware. It gets 11 ball nylon wheel, 2 struts, and then obviously we always are gonna use our 13 ball premium zinc on that top glass, because you can see right there, that black in there, that's insulated. So this top panel has got some weight. And we put double tappers in the back. Good spacing here. Right there, good spacing. Got our step plate here on the bottom. All nylon wheels, and everything is lubed. We do put light oil on everything. I gotta get this sticker off. Get this sticker out of here. Goodbye. Get that off. Got some good springs up there and a belt drive opener. And then we got our angle mount. And then now you here on this side, double tappers as well in the back. Pretty smooth and quiet. Clopay Gallery 2-inch. We stop it here. We're gonna close her up for the end of the video. For all your garage door needs, 630-271-9343, www.innovative.door.com. Thank you for liking and subscribing. You guys are awesome. It's kind of sunny out here, so I guess that's as best we're gonna get this video here. At least it looks kind of funky with the phone video. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our video, guys. See you on the next one.